All are found in Buddhist Anguttara Nikaya and Jainese Bhagavati formulas. Okay, and the major Mahajanapadas were and their capital contains Anga's capital Champa, East Bihar, Magadha, Rajagruha, South Bihar, and Kosala's Ayodhya capital Kosala, Sravasti, Banaras, Kuru, Indraprastha, Delhi, Meerut, and Tansera, Vajji, Vaishali, North Bihar, Chedi, Suktamati, Yamuna, and Narmada rivers, and Chedi, Suktamati, Vatsya, Kosami, Jaipur, Asmika, Potali, Godavari, Kamboja, Rajapura, Southwest Kashmir, and Matsya, Viratanagar, Allahabad. Matsya, Viratanagar, Allahabad. Bilhana's Vikramanka Devacharita and their literature. Chandbarda is Prithviraj Raso, Sandhyakarnadhi, Rama Charitra, Hemachandra's Kumara Pala Charita. Okay. Kalinga's King Kharavela's inscription which refers about Jaina relation. Kalinga's King's Kharavela's inscription which refers to about Jaina relation. 1,000 pillars Basidi in Mudbidre. Jaina Kashi. We call it as Jaina Kashi. Second Jain council was held in Gujarat Vallabhi in the presence of Devaradri Kashma Sharmana in 1512 AD. And first Jainese council was held in